Japan. Arguably one of my favorite places to visit. I've been blessed to be able to return to this remarkable country to enjoy the food, the hospitality of the people, and the amazing fall photography. Now, the journey will come to an end. But first, Chinatown. I am on my way to Chinatown, but I have a small problem.
Welcome to rush hour in the subway.
No, not that problem.
Hey everybody, we are heading over to Yokohama's Chinatown for dinner and some nighttime photography. But first, I got to get myself lost.
Yep, I got on the wrong train. Fortunately, I noticed my little problem right away and jumped off the train at the next station, which was not too far from Chinatown. Before we get any further, I would like to thank those of you who have been supporting my channel like Pro.Action, Jay White, and Javan G. If you have not done so already, please click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you do not miss any episodes. Also, feel free to tell me about the places you explore in the comments. Chinatown is full of bright lights, places to eat, and unique places to photograph.
So something I found on my last trip I want to share with all of you is this really cool temple behind me. Now my pictures from last time didn't turn out all that great, so now I got a better camera, better lens. We're going to try it again. One of the challenges, there are going to be power lines up there, but at this point I don't care. Let's capture this image.
These results are a bit better. I attempted a pano, but the power lines were just too much. So I got in closer and started to look for details. I even went so far as to prop my camera on its tripod, looking through the gate. Something that I love about Chinatown is the endless assortment of restaurants.
So I have no idea where I'm at in Chinatown, but just kind of pulled over and going to take a break from the photography so we can get some dinner.
Here, Google Translate helps. Sometimes. Pay close attention to the spicy level of the food.
Alright, so I guess this is a Chinese beer. Definitely different than any beer I've had before. It's pretty good. So this is probably the final night I get to go out and explore, so just in case, I'm going to enjoy it.
The food here is amazing. The flavors are unreal, but sometimes you get a bit of a surprise.
Alright everybody, tonight it's Szechuan blue crab. In my talent with chopsticks. There you go. Okay. Alright. Yes, you eat the shell. Okay, so it's blue crab, you do eat the shell, but the flavor is phenomenal. But that's one heck of a shell.
Crunchy?
Yeah, it's going to be crunchy. The crab is definitely in there. But at least I hope you're supposed to eat the shell. You're there tomorrow and has prawns. Oh my gosh, it's spicy. Just hit my throat.
The shell's really hard to eat. It ain't got something to crack it with. So we're gonna Google this one.
According to whatever, the whole soft shell is edible and delicious.
The shell is hard to eat. So I cracked the shell and scraped out the good stuff. Out and about on the street once again, we are searching for both photos and dessert. No, not that. Now that is more like it.
So we're going for dessert here. These candy strawberries kind of caught my eye. So here we go. I mean, look at these things. Okay, they're frozen. They're hard. Yeah, they're hard. Alright. I'm not sure about this.
Sticky?
Frozen.
Frozen?
They're frozen.
Oh wow. Covered with sugar?
Covered in sugar, melted sugar, yeah. Covered in sugar, but frozen. Good though. Can't seem to eat this thing. Yeah.
Walking down the street, the strawberries got a bit softer. Next time, I'll wait 5 minutes before chomping down on them. Looking for a good image, I noticed that there's just too much foreign writing for me to be able to sell this image as stock, so I captured a few for personal use, like this gate. With the lights on it, it is full of beautiful saturated colors. Or these lanterns above the street. Everywhere I went was just awesome coolness. I did drop my tripod in the middle of the main drag in Chinatown and did my best to capture the excitement of this place. While I was doing this, my buddy was playing with, get ready for it, a modern day Polaroid. Pretty cool stuff.
Well, everybody, I think that's going to be it here from Chinatown. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And of course, as always, please consider opening your hearts and homes to a shelter animal. And if you can, please donate to your local animal shelter. And I'll see you all in the next episode.
This trip to Japan has been worth the wait. All of my fellow service members who have ever had the privilege of living in Japan has nothing but good things to say about this country. What makes this place so interesting? There is nothing like it in American culture. The ancient buildings, the gardens, the focus on aesthetics, the incredible food, and all the positive interactions that I had with the people. All of these have led to a wonderful experience that I will not forget. When things finally return to normal, I'll be returning to Japan. I will miss this place.